let's talk development football with just as the leaders of the Game Connect, whether a player, a coach, or a club owner. We are coming to you to talk all things development football. Mina babukela uMapholo bafuze fulele mashiya mahlenga sezoshumayela iqadi unyuswa. We have another episode ke yonyaka omusha, our first episode unyaka 2026 with the captain uZwiri udlala kumagesi ku DDC. Zwiri, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Ja, igama lami uThepho Tawulo, ngiphuma eKimberley. Ngidlalela iMagesi, ngicaptain iMagesi.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke babukeli bethu ukuthi sibe noZwiri ohlelweni lethu la namhlanje kunyaka 2026 ishow yokuqala esinayo njengelesi talk development football. Zwiri, awusitshele ijeni yakho iqala kuphona as a player.
Hayi, ijeni yami iqale eKasi because i-team iqale ku-team ya-Uncle, since ku-team yakoGaye.
Okay.
And then after team yakoGaye, antsiya kaya ku-team ya-Uncle because team ya-Uncle ke Ishmane ka tsamaya ka Benfica, after Benfica ka Tshwaragano, and after Tshwaragano ke go Tshwaragano ntse teng ka dlala friendly Prestige ang invite for camp ka 2018, and then I ke fitla go camp ba ntseya, and then ka dula go Prestige. After Prestige ka ya go Highlands, and then after Highlands ke go Bambona teng ka dlala development ya Highlands for under 19, and then ka ABC, and then after ABC ka tla Magesi.
Zwiri, siyabonga kakhulu njengoba usositshelile ejeni yakho njengeplayer. Awusho ubani wena umdlalo obukele kuyena kakhulu okumotivateile ukuthi nawe ulandele le jeni yebhola?
Mina nje ngiqala nje ukubuka bengibuka ukufune. Namanje nje ngizamthanda, khona izinto engiyithanda nabo yena. Namanje futhi ngithanda noRonald Williams.
Yeah. Currently number 1, yeah. Okay, Zwiri, awusitshele ibhola likufundiseni. What has football taught you wena as a player njengamanje?
Hayi, ibhola nje limfundisa okuningi nje, uyabona ukuthi ngiqina kanjani njengendoda, khona like ama-situations amanye nje ngikhona ukuthi ngiyimele, ngikhona ukusebenzisana nabanye abantu, mhlambe njengoba like ngibe leader. Ngihlala kanye ngidluliselwe ke no-check-a ke analyze ke nothula, yeah.
Njengoba sewushilo-ke Zwiri ukuthi ube yi-leader, ngesizini yakho yokuqala nje ujoyina iMagesi sewufike waba yikapteni. Kusho ukuthini kuwena lokho as a player?
Kuyangimotivate kakhulu because i-team bangithembile, abaphathi be-team, o-coach bangithembile ukuthi ngilile team enhle emnandi ene abantu lena ke leboga bona rene bona ba ndidileng ba mfileng le banta re ke lile team.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ke Zwiri, babukeli bethu uZwiri ijeni yakhe inhle kakhulu from Prestige, mina ngimazi from Prestige ku Stream B, Stream A, and then wathathwa Highlands Park under coach Sliso no coach Arendse. He did very well, bawini league 2 times, and then he was in the team eyayidlala ku ABC Motsepe Highlands Park that got relegated because of other issues. They were number 1 on the league. Zwiri, umsebenzi wakho muhle kakhulu ebholeni lase South Africa lilonke. Angeke ngize ngithi ebholeni lase Gauteng, lase South Africa lilonke. Babukeli bethu i-distribution ka Itumeleng Khune, this is the goalkeeper oyimastera exactly like Itumeleng Khune. Mawubuka amagame akhe you'll see distribution 101 at its best. Zwiri, ibaluleke ngani discipline off the field as a player?
Hayi, discipline ibaluleke kakhulu because like uyakhona ukuthi u-avoid into eningi njengoba uyabona mhlawumbe abangani abangekho right, like uya-avoid ukuthi uye-dronkongo ukuthi nokuthi alcohol iningi ukhona yabona, because ibalulekile nje ukhiphe ube sharp, ube muntu osharp ukuthi lo khona ube
awusinakekele.
Usafika 20 years isifatho sithi sitshana ke umuntu ogate.
Hayi, kezwakala kakhulu Zwiri. Ake ngibuze nawe omunye umbuzo enginawo. Uhlelo inhloso yalo luhlelo lethu sithi intwana ezincane ezizimisela ukuthi zifike kulezi nga wena ufike kulona. Most of the goalkeepers abazobukela kuwena basebancane kakhulu. Ngiyazi bonke abomasiya Ovimba Richards Bay naye benisebenza nonke kakhulu. Wena njengeplayer Zwiri, since sewi-captain futhi, how do you prepare for a big game like igame kade nidlala namhlanje neSundowns?
Hayi, abanje ukuprepare nje, like you try to stay as calm as possible in everything you do. Like you need to find a playlist whereby ekuseni uyavuka uyalalela like ukuthi yilezo khipha ukuthi ube focused, and then mawufika nje ungathuki ukuthi wena kumele uyithenge nje. You must trust your abilities as a person because umuntu lathwana le batho ba opponent into ehlukile nje bethe for so wena chance unodlala every game onofa 100 and udevelop as a player.
Akezwakala siyabonga kakhulu-ke Zwiri. Nawu mina umbuzo enginawo, wena uzibona ukuphi in the next 3 years as a player? Uzibona ukuphi in the next 3 years?
Hayi mina ngizibona ngihlala phesheya. Ya ngihlala phesheya nje because inhloso yami nje mina isifiso sami ukudlala i-England Derby. Mhlambe nje idabi nje ngizodlala mara khona idabi mina ngiyidlala.
One of the big derbies uZwiri uyasho-ke babukeli bethu uzoyidlala idabi. Zwiri sifisela konke okuhle osifisela kona for i-future yakho. You've been the good player since Prestige ngikwazi. You've been a good player nakho namanje. The rewards are showing. Sewufika first season Marcus, they gave you captain umpel. What motivation can you give intwana eseMakafi, Soweto, Northwest, Mpumalanga, everywhere eMakafi ezifuna ukuthi zifike kule level wena ufike kuyona?
Hayi mina tshwanetse uphushe nje awunakathi leyo because of awutsebe gore ke match every game tshwanetse unodlala you must always give your best because awutsebe ke mashibileng because le nna go thomile so ke ntse tsebe ke nodlala nje go kasi nna ke sa tsebe go one day
Who's watching? Yeah. Yona motivation ke le yasipha yona uZwiri kuzona zonke intwana esemakhaya. Just play your best football because you never know ukuthi who's watching. Siyabonga kakhulu ke Zwiri, babukeli ngingakhohlwa to subscribe, follow us on TikTok and all social media platforms. We are Let's Talk Development Football. Danke. Champana.